Hi everyone, this is part 3 of the installation video. We're going to start putting panels on today. I already started a couple, so I'm just going to give you a look just to see how it looks right now and what my plans are for getting this wall covered. And I'm going to try to make this as entertaining as possible because it's kind of boring seeing something that's going to take us so much time. So, alright, let's get started. Here it is. So far, this is all I got complete. I put that black one, these 3 blue ones up, and that one in the corner. These are the original ones here. And that one here. See, this is the original one here. So, and that one right there. So basically, I was doing a comparison to see. It's got the same thickness. So that's good. That's 2-inch, and that's pretty much, I'm going to start off blue in here, and I'm just going to do the same pattern. It's going to be black, blue, black, blue. And pretty much till I get to this line, the rest is going to be 1-inch for now because I gotta have enough space, I gotta make sure I got enough to get the closet, to get back over there, and on the side here, and to make sure I got enough to get this patched up in here. So, alright, let's get started. Is it okay if I take the shortcut? Please. Forgive me. Got it finished. Let me show you. Okay, so this probably took me about 3 hours. No, maybe 2. So this is 2 inches thick. The reason why I didn't continue here, this is just 1 inch, is because I want to make sure I got enough pieces to get everything else done. And these are the last 2 panels I put on. These came from a long time ago, where I used to live at my grandmother's house. I built my first studio booth, which was literally only like 2 walls this thin. And yeah, I paid like $300 for a big box of these. And then I ended up throwing them all out because I was, immature then. But some craftsmanship, I guess you can say. Now, I'm probably gonna fill in this stuff here. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do yet with this open space, but I think I'm gonna leave the white right there because it gives it a really cool look. And down here, I think I'm gonna eventually I'm gonna get some really thick insulation panels and just put it from there to there. So here it is. I like how it turned out. It turned out way better than I could imagine. So tomorrow I'll get started on some more. Video 4 is just going to be a real short video just to show you the aftermath, pretty much, when everything else is pretty much complete. Because there's really nothing else to it, really. So yeah, I'm excited. Alright, because my phone's dead. I forgot to charge it today. So glad this is over, just about. I didn't expect to get this much done today, and I was surprised how fast it dried. I mean, that part was terrible. But there's already a difference in sound quality. It's like I can hear, doors a lot more faint now. And I can imagine when I do the rest of the stuff. I can only imagine. Oh, and next step. I don't know if I'm gonna do a video on that, but I'm gonna put carpeting there. This carpeting, as you can see, it doesn't have, the carpeting I put up here. It's gonna be the same stuff. Well, I can show you. This stuff right here. That's what I'm gonna get this week. And it's going under this carpet, which then I'm gonna put it here, and then get another carpet and just cut everything in. Just gonna be pieced in, and because a lot of sound is coming from the floor up there off the drummer. And pretty much with this stuff, I'm gonna put like some sticky tiles down. I'm not sure what kind. I think I want like marble, like some, I don't know, black and white maybe. We'll see. And it's gonna go from here all the way to there. Actually, it's gonna actually go underneath this stuff. And yeah. And I'm just gonna start hooking it up in here because I'm gonna be here for a while, you know, until I get my financial situation taken care of, or I can afford to move. You know, I might as well just try to help my situation, you know. And yeah, I should be able to start getting some better night sleeps. So, alright, I think this is gonna wrap this video up. Alright, well, have a good night, and I hope you have a good day tomorrow. And I thought I remembered what I was gonna say, but it was something like whatever it was. Actually, I think I wrote it down. I guess I'm gonna have to have a sheet of paper next time, so I can kind of get it into my head, because anyhow, you know what I'm trying to say. Thank you for watching. Until then, I'll just keep doing videos. So, I think it looks pretty good.